Welcome back everyone to another gameplay classic tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the in-game language on the Brawlhalla game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Brawlhalla game on your device, and after you complete the basic tutorial levels, you will be taken into the home page. From here, click on the gear icon at the top right corner where it says Options. Then within the Options page, tap on System Settings. And now you will see various different settings that you can change. Now from the bottom, navigate to the third menu, and here you will be able to switch between the various different languages that are available for the game. Just use the left and the right arrow to cycle between the available languages, and once you have reached your desired language, you can close this and your settings will be saved right away. Now you can continue to play the game with your chosen language, and if at any point you wish to change it once again, you can go back to the same System Settings page and choose your desired language using the third setting counting from the bottom. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the in-game language on the Brawlhalla game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.